but they are costing you 190,000 for 1 million share capital. But roughly, if you want to do this registration by yourself, you are not spending up to 20,000 for it. So you having this information is a privilege for you, but then you need to know how to carry out the registration process by yourself for it to be useful to you. This video that I'm about to make, a lot of people go vex for me, like several people is actually going to be angry with me because I'm about to spoil some people's package, like some people's business. But I'm doing it for my subscribers or for my fan base because I believe that you are supposed to carry out your business registration for yourself or by yourself, for your friend or for your business. But then you even having so much information without you knowing how to carry out the registration by yourself is still useless, because by the end of the day you have so much information but yet you don't know how to carry out the registration. That's why we have created all these videos on how you can be able to navigate through the registration process by yourself with little or no assistance. So we have provided all the information that you need, but yet if you are coming to my DM to seek for assistance aside watching the videos that we have created, remember there is something we call consultation, so it's not free. We have made all the videos for you available on the channel. So if those videos are not helpful to you, or maybe if you cannot be able to carry out the registration by yourself with just the videos on the channel, it means that you are going to pay for consultation. So don't come to my DM and start asking whether I teach people for free and you still expect me to leave my time and start assisting you on my DM again for free. So you are going to pay for consultation. So but what I'm about to talk about or maybe discuss with you is CAC registration payments or costs. I've made this video before, but it was way before the upgrade, like before they updated their payment cost. But now I'm about to do the update on how much that you should be expecting or how much that you will you'll be spending for your registration from business name to company incorporation. Okay, then, but as I said earlier, you need to know how to carry out this registration for this cost to be applicable, for this cost to be useful to you, or for this information to be useful to you. If you don't, it means that it's still useless. So first, we are going to pay for reservation. Reservation is no longer 500, it's now 1,000. So it's 1,000. When I did the first video, it was 500, but now it's 1,000. So the reservation is 1,000 naira. And that's after you have created your account, did all the stuff. So what I'm talking about is the costing, that's the payment. So 1,000 is for your registration, that's for your reservation. While if it is a business name, you are paying 20,000 for your registration. That's your filing fee. Your filing fee is 20,000. It's no longer 10,000, it's now 20,000. So if you are to combine it together, you are going to pay let's say roughly 22,000, because you are going to have charges in each of them, remitter charges or those of course. So you are going to pay roughly 22,000 or 21,000 something in it. So if you are registering a company, let's say a 1 million share capital, I've seen a lot of people saying if you go to TikTok, go to Instagram, or go to some channels in this YouTube, you'll be seeing people saying bring 120,000, bring 190,000. I saw 190,000, 195,000 for how to register 1 million share capital for you. Then they will now attach some benefits, like they will give you a letter-headed paper. They will give you business card. All those things are things that you can actually do by yourself. You can just go to Canva and get all these things by yourself. Just type a business card. They will give you a template, edit it, put your information, go to any cyber cafe and tell them that you want to print it. They will print it for you. But they are costing you 190,000 for 1 million share capital. But roughly, if you want to do this registration by yourself, you are not spending up to 20,000 for it. So you having this information is a privilege for you, but then you need to know how to carry out the registration process by yourself for it to be useful to you. Okay, So let's say you are registering a 1 million share capital. Okay? So what you are going to pay is 1,000 naira for your reservation, 10,000 for your filing fee, and 8,000 or 8,000 something. Let's say roughly 9,000 for your stamp duty. So if you are to combine everything, you should still be spending like 19,000 to 20,000 for your 1 million share capital. Remember, the process is long. So if you are hiring somebody to do this process for you, it means the person is going to charge you let's say 40 to 45% of the cost. So which means the person should be charging you nothing less than 50,000 naira for it, because the process is actually long. The person is going to carry out all the registration for you because you don't want to do it by yourself. So the person is actually going to cost you, it's going to cost you 50 to 45 to 50,000 naira for you to carry out this. But if you are to do it by yourself, you are just simply going to spend roughly 20,000 for it, whereas you do all the process by yourself. So if you are registering a 2 million share capital, you are going to pay 1,000 for your reservation, 20,000 for your filing fee, and 16,000 or 17,000 for your stamp duty. So which means that it is 10,000 naira increase in every 1 million share capital. So if it is 1 million share, you are going to pay 1,000 and 8,000 naira for your stamp duty. Then if it is 2 million share capital, you're going to pay times 2. So you are going to pay 20,000 for your filing fee, and times 2, that's now 16,000 or 17,000 for your stamp duty. So likewise, you can just use this to compute how much you are going to spend depending on the number of share capital that you want. Then if you want to pay for upgrade, remember, in upgrade you are going to pay first. You are going to file for consent, and so filing for consent, you are going to pay 5,000 naira for it. Then after you pay the 5,000 naira for it, once it is approved, before you now start your normal registration process, where you are going to pay, maybe if it is 1 million share, you are going to pay 1,000, 10,000, and then you pay for your stamp duty just that same way. So with this, I believe you can be able to know how much you should be expecting, or the costing, or the payment requirement for your business registration. That's why I advocate for you to actually know how to carry out this registration by yourself. But then if you don't want to carry it out by yourself, expect that your agent, or maybe the whoever that is providing the service to you, is going to charge you for it. So I provide this information hoping that you want to carry out this registration by yourself. But then if you want to hire somebody, you are still going to pay the person however the person wants to charge you for his or her service charge. Okay, so with this, remember, we provide services on business registration in case you don't know how to do it, or maybe you don't want to do it by yourself, and we offer training as well. So if you are interested and want to learn how to carry out this registration for other people without even being an accredited agent, you can still send me a message and I will guide you through. Okay, so with this, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification for more amazing information like this. So see you on the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.